everyone, what is up? It is that guy Lawson, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom URL for your YouTube channel. There are two guidelines that you do need to follow in between. You need 100 subscribers, and you need to have your account for over 30 days. If you meet both those requirements, you will be able to make a custom URL, no problem. First, you're going to go up to the top right hand corner, then go down to YouTube Studio Beta. Following that, go down to the bottom left corner and click Creator Studio Classic. After this, it'll just ask you why you're switching over to the classic mode. Just press skip. Once you're in your Creator Studio, go down to Channel. And since I meet both those requirements with having over 100 subscribers and having my channel for more than 30 days, I'm going to go down to the bottom right corner where it says Custom URL, click Enable, and then at the top it says you're eligible for the custom URL, claim it here, press claim. This is the custom URL they stock give you. You have to have this custom URL, or you can choose to add to the end of it. You can just literally add anything you want to the end of it, but you have to stick with the stock code they give you, so you cannot change it at all. That's one thing I wish YouTube would change. This is just based on the email that you signed up with, and like me, I made a dumb email when I did sign up, so I cannot change it. But make sure when you're signing up for your YouTube channel and just starting, make sure you have an email that suits your channel so you can make a good custom URL. If this video did help you in any way, please hit that subscribe button, please hit that like button. Thank you so much.